Hey everybody, just a quick video today showing how to download and install the SendItCNC libraries in Fusion 360. We'll get it all installed, the example projects from the tutorial video series, the tool libraries, the CAM templates, and even a few other things. Fusion 360 users, if you do not have your own CNC machine, no problem. You can use our CNC machines in the cloud. Here's how to get what you need to get started. Okay, let's get the SendItCNC downloads and install them. You may have already done the first step, which is to go to the SendItCNC website and get the full download package. We'll install them in Fusion 360 now. In the downloads, you'll find a folder called Projects. We're going to copy its contents up to Fusion. We'll do that folder by folder. There are a few subfolders under Projects: Examples, Stock, Setups, and Work Holding. In Fusion, I've created a project called SendItCNC. In it, we'll create 4 corresponding folders and upload the contents from the downloads into Fusion. We'll do that for the examples, stock, the setups, and the work holding. We'll do examples first. Examples actually has subfolders for each of the examples used in the tutorial video series. So we'll create those subfolders, box and logo plate. You'll see that each of the examples folders has a with CAM subfolder. Just as the name implies, that contains the examples complete with CAM and actually ready to submit to SendItCNC and get a part made. Optionally, you can upload those. We'll skip that step here. Next, we'll do the setups folder. Presently, that only contains 1 file. Next, the stock folder. Again, only 1 file for now, but more to come. Last, we'll do the work holding folder, which has several different vice configurations. Now, over to the manufacturer workspace. Next, and importantly, in Preferences, then General Manufacturer Preferences, I've enabled Cloud Libraries, so the Tool Library, Machine Library, and CAM Template Library can be in Fusion Cloud Storage and be accessible from anywhere you run Fusion. We'll load the SendItCNC CAM defaults for Fusion 360 as well, although you may have already done that for tutorial number 1. We'll use the tools under the Manage menu to upload the tool library, machine library, and template library from the SendItCNC downloads. First, the tool library, and we can upload the 4 files there in 1 step. Then, the machine library. Presently, there's only 1 choice for machine. That is the SendItCNC small mill for 6061 aluminum. As well, for the template library, we've created folders in Fusion corresponding to the ones in the downloads. There's a 2D folder, a 3D folder, a probing folder, and a spot drill tap folder. And by the way, we recommend using the tools under the Manage menu rather than trying to upload things to the Assets project. All of the files we've been uploading are available free for download on the SendItCNC website. That includes the video tutorial examples completed with CAM operations and ready to submit to SendItCNC for making. Now we are fully set up and ready to use SendItCNC.